Here I've got Doogee S55 Lite, and let me show you how to add a Google account on the following device. So at first just make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi. I definitely am, and then open the list of all applications. Then go to the settings, and now scroll down, find and pick accounts. Now click on add account, so the first tab, and select the desired one. So in my case it's Google, so this is the one. Now give your device a couple of seconds, it will just check all the info. And now if you do not have Google account yet, you can click here create account to do it, and if you do have, just log in with yours. So I do have, and it's HardReset.Info at gmail.com. And then click on next. Now enter the password. Just let me show you, if you will be typing the password, click on the eye icon to see what you are typing. So let me enter mine off the screen. And as only it is typed, click on next. Then just come along with all Google terms of service and also privacy policy. Click on the links. Then come along with the documents here. And if you agree with all the terms presented here, click on I agree. Here's your function from Google account. It will also back up your data. Click on accept. And as you can see, from now on you've got your Google account here. This is the one, so in my case it's HardReset.Info1 at gmail.com. So you can also have access to your home store by this Google account and all the other functions in your Doogee S55 Lite. If you'd like to remove this account, simply tap on it and hold it for a while. And here click on remove account. Now confirm that you would like to remove it by tapping on remove account. And that's it. As you can see, it's no longer here. So now you can create a new one and add it to your Doogee. So that would be all. This is how you can add and remove Google account from your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.